All right, round one.
This should be.
Ready? You got this? Good luck, Chuck.
Darling, come here. You're not going to believe what this guy's doing.
How'd you do that? I got him in his mouth.
Guess what he just ate?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm done.
That was pretty good.
Stick your tongue out.
All right.
I don't want to do this, dude. Should never agreed to your stupid little.
You're the one that dared me.
I didn't think you were going to actually eat the whole thing, be able to.
Eat it.
Cinnamon challenge.
FML. Take one.
Don't breathe.
You gotta put all in your mouth, dude.
I know I had to put it all in my mouth, you dingus.
Dude, you gave up quick.